Lucky Last, President Grover the inside. 1200 metres, stand by. Last on the card. All ready. Off this time, Mackaybe's Meowdy slow, Undisclosed Desire was also slow. Foxy Commander hit the ground running, goes straight to the front in the early stages. Hashtag Lads ridden hard around the outside. Pigeon Post also going up towards the lead. They were followed by President Grover, who's on the inside of Mahjong Smile. Academy Tides going up forward. They were followed by It's Scandalous, then a length and a half to Sass and Glam. Gold Club, Chop It Out. Mackaybe's Meowdy second last, and last of all is Undisclosed Desire. Hashtag Lads gone fast. It leads by a half length Academy Tide. Then 1.5 to Foxy Commander, who's down on the inside of Pigeon Post. Mahjong Smile. A length back to President Grover, who's back on the inside from Chop It Out as they come towards the corner. Undisclosed Desires taking off from It's Scandalous as they sweep around the corner. Gold Club's a long way back. They balance up. Hashtag Lad in front. Foxy Commander's off the inside, gets its chance. Mahjong Smile down the outside. President Grover's through on the inside. Then came Gold Club. Mackaybe's Meowdy letting go on the outside. Inside the 200, Mahjong Smile in front. Over on the inside, President Grover. Mackaybe's Meowdy. That's President Grover in front, and President Grover wins the last from Mackaybe's Meowdy. Third, Mahjong Smile. It's tight there for fourth with coming through there late. Foxy Commander was there along with Hashtag Lad. Out wide, Pigeon Post. It's Scandalous. Then came Gold Club. Undisclosed Desire. Chop It Out was out wide from Sass and Glam and Academy Tide. President Grover's won it, number 5.